Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of investing and personal finance. Today, we're shining the spotlight on Stash, a fantastic platform that simplifies investing for everyone. Let's explore its features, pricing, and what makes it stand out. As you land on the Stash website, you'll immediately notice the clean and user-friendly interface. Stash is designed to appeal to both beginners and seasoned investors, making the investment journey accessible to everyone. Now let's talk about pricing. Stash offers 3 subscription plans. The starter plan at just $1 per month, the growth plan at $3 per month, and the Stash Plus plan at $9 per month. This structure allows you to choose a plan that fits your needs, regardless of whether you're just starting or looking for more comprehensive tools. Plus, all plans include access to a variety of investment options, from stocks and ETFs to bonds, so you can diversify your portfolio easily. An interesting feature of Stash is its educational content. Each plan provides users with personalized advice and resources tailored to their investment goals. Whether it's understanding the basics of investing or diving into more complex strategies, Stash equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. One of the standout features is the ability to start investing with as little as $5. That's right. You don't need a ton of capital to get started on your investment journey. This makes it accessible for people of all financial backgrounds. Stash also allows you to set up recurring investments, further encouraging you to build your wealth over time with minimal effort. Additionally, the platform offers a unique feature called Stash Retire, which helps users prepare for retirement by integrating investing into their financial planning. This holistic approach ensures your financial future is secure, not just your current portfolio. In conclusion, Stash is an excellent platform for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of investing without feeling overwhelmed. With its affordable pricing, educational resources, and user-friendly interface, it's a great choice for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on investing and finance tips. Thanks for watching and happy investing.